Look at the space I have in my garage. Unreal. That auction I went to the other day, the last video, I took all kinds of crap. Good stuff, bad stuff, garbage, and just auctioned it off. Didn't care. I got rid of that bench, that other little cart I had over there in that corner by the furnace. Just garbage I had laying around. I picked up this, it's where is it? An H50 Tecumseh motor. It's never been fired. Look, it's got red paint still on the pull cord. It's got original paint still on the muffler. It's a 1-inch shaft. I don't know if I'm going to use it on this project or not. I might just go with a Predator 212. Make things easier. I went to my favorite spot in the whole world. Grandpa's garage, dropped off a bunch of scrap metal, and while I was there I spotted a snap-on roll-around toolbox, you know, the bottom half, and it had a midsection box. The midsection, I think, is a 10 drawer, and the bottom is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 drawer. They're both snap-on, and I got them right here. I'll show you. There it is, right there. Look. Snap. The on broke off, but look, so you got little drawer liners down in there. Right there. Yeah. It's either a small toolbox or the world's largest Mountain Dew bottle. But yeah, I got that for free there. It's a little banged up. Needs to be cleaned. You know, need to wash and wax it. But yeah, I have a long overdue mail shout out. I recorded this once, and I don't know how it got messed up, but I already stuck his sticker on here. The old Brat Rider. If you're not subscribed to his channel, go check him out. And make sure I turn that crap off. Yeah, go check out his channel. Tell him I sent you. All right, that's about it. Talk to you later.